Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this application requires iOS 14 or later. So guys, when you have installed any app from App Store on your iPhone and facing this type of issue and not be able to install that app on your iPhone. So guys, easily you can fix a problem and you will be able to install that app without any interruption. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen in your iPhone. And guys, after this, you have to open your settings here. After this, you need to check your VPN connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Scroll it below, click on general, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back and click on language and region and select your region according to your country on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, the main reason of this problem is your iOS version. So guys, if you have installed oldest iOS version on your iPhone, simply you have to click on software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, if not be able to update your iPhone from software update, then guys, no need to worry. You have to connect your iPhone with laptop or PC, and through 3U tool you will be able to install latest version of iOS on your iPhone. And after this, you will be able to install that app easily without any interruption. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.